Imagine a world where the lines between what is human and machine blur.
A place where artificial intelligence has evolved beyond our wildest dreams and perhaps even nightmares.
In this future landscape, we find ourselves pondering a question that seems almost too big to grasp. Could it be possible that one day, AI might replace us? Let's step back in time to the dawn of human invention and innovation.
The first spark of fire, the wheel turning under our feet, or the pen that penned the Constitution, each was a testament to humanity's ingenuity and resilience. Now, fast forward to today, where we stand on the brink of another revolution.
This one is different because it's not about physical tools but digital minds. In recent years, artificial intelligence has made remarkable strides.
From self-driving cars navigating bustling city streets with ease to virtual assistants handling our
daily tasks, AI seems more integrated into our lives than ever before. But as we delve deeper into the capabilities of these intelligent machines, a question looms: could this be just the beginning? Consider how far we've come in understanding and creating intelligence. In 2019, researchers at DeepMind created AlphaStar, an AI that could defeat professional StarCraft players. The game requires strategic planning, quick reflexes, and adaptability, qualities traditionally associated with human ingenuity. This was a stark reminder of the potential for AI to match and even surpass human capabilities in complex scenarios. In 2018, IBM's Watson beat Jeopardy champions at their own game. It wasn't just about knowing answers, it was about understanding and using context clues, a skill often seen as uniquely human. These examples highlight a growing concern: if AI can mimic our cognitive abilities so effectively, what does that mean for the roles humans play in society?
And then there's the development of generative adversarial networks, GANs, which allow machines to create stunningly realistic images and videos. In 2015, researchers at In the Quiet Hum of a laboratory deep within Silicon Valley, rows upon rows of servers buzz quietly. The air is crisp, carrying an almost tangible sense of purpose. These machines are on a mission to reshape not just our world, but perhaps even humanity itself. Imagine waking up one morning and stepping into a future where your smartphone can anticipate your needs before you do. Your home adjusts the temperature based on the weather outside or knows when it's time for you to take that walk. These conveniences hint at something far more profound: a world where artificial intelligence, AI, has begun its integration, quietly but
steadily. It's not just about convenience. AI is transforming industries across the board: medicine, transportation, even entertainment. But as these technologies advance, a question looms large: will they replace us? The answer isn't simple and, in fact, it's more complex than many imagine. In this journey through the future of tech, we'll explore not just what AI can do but how it might impact our lives. We'll dive into the minds of scientists
and engineers who are building these systems, understanding their motivations and challenges. And perhaps most importantly, we will look at ourselves, how our roles as humans could change in a world increasingly dominated by intelligent machines.
The first step is to understand AI's journey so far. Back in the 1950s, researchers began exploring how computers could mimic human thought processes. Early pioneers like Alan Turing and John McCarthy laid down foundational concepts that would later evolve into what we recognize today as AI. Their work was a starting point for decades of development and experimentation. Fast forward to the present day, and AI has become an integral part of our daily lives in ways both subtle and profound. From voice assistants telling us weather forecasts or playing music on command, to complex algorithms predicting stock market trends, it's clear that these technologies are becoming more sophisticated every year. But what happens when machines start making decisions that could affect human survival? This is in the vast expanse of time, humanity has always sought to create tools that extend our capabilities. From simple stone knives to today's complex artificial intelligence systems, we've been pushing the boundaries of what machines can do for us. But as AI becomes more sophisticated and capable, a question looms large: will these intelligent machines replace us? Or perhaps better yet, enhance who we are? Let's journey through this fascinating landscape together.
Imagine standing at the edge of a great ocean where waves of change crash against the shore.
On one side is our past, filled with stories of human ingenuity and innovation.
On the other, an unknown future where AI may reshape everything.
Consider the rise of automation.
In factories, once manual tasks are now handled by machines that never tire or make mistakes. The same principle applies to more complex jobs like financial analysis, medical diagnosis, even legal advice. As AI systems improve at mimicking human decision-making processes, they seem poised to take on a broader range of roles.
But what does this mean for us? Are we facing a future where machines will replace our traditional jobs and roles in society? The truth is more nuanced than that.
While certain tasks may be automated, many of the skills humans bring to work, creativity, empathy, judgment, are still uniquely human traits not easily replicated by AI.
As we delve deeper into this topic, it's important to understand how artificial intelligence works.
At its core, an AI system learns from vast amounts of data and uses complex algorithms to make decisions or predictions.
It can recognize patterns, solve problems, even generate creative outputs like art or music.
But these systems still lack the emotional depth and instinctive understanding that we humans possess. Now imagine a world where you are not just competing with machines but collaborating with them.
Instead of viewing AI as a threat, what if it becomes an ally?
For instance, in healthcare, AI can assist doctors by analyzing patient data and suggesting
treatment options.
In education, personalized learning platforms could deepen the heart of Silicon Valley. Under a vast dome that glows with an eerie blue light, sits the headquarters of Neurosphere, a company at the forefront of artificial intelligence research. Here, engineers toil day and night, their minds bent on creating machines smarter than humanity itself.
But as the technology advances, questions linger: will AI replace us? And if it does, what does that mean for our future? The walls of this facility are lined with screens displaying complex algorithms and neural networks in real time.
Each screen tells a story of human ingenuity and ambition, but also of uncertainty. The air is thick with the scent of circuit boards and cooling fans, a symphony of technology in motion. Dr. Ilara Miles stands before a cluster of monitors, her eyes glued to one that displays a complex graph
tracing the progress of their latest AI model, named Prometheus. Prometheus, she explains softly, is designed not just to learn but to understand, like us.
Her voice carries an air of both awe and caution. As we delve deeper into this world, it's hard not to feel the weight of what lies ahead. The concept of replacing human intelligence with AI might seem like a distant concern today, but as these technologies become more advanced and integrated into our daily lives, they begin to pose serious questions about survival and existence itself.
Let's consider how we got here.
For centuries, humans have been fascinated by the idea of machines that can think for themselves. From ancient automatons to modern-day AI assistants like Siri or Alexa, the journey has been marked by both wonder and fear. But today, as these technologies evolve at an unprecedented rate, they threaten to upend not just our jobs but also our very way of life. In Silicon Valley, there's a palpable sense that we're on the cusp of something monumental, something that could change everything.
The engineers here are driven by the belief that AI will enhance human capabilities rather than replace them. The question looms large over our cities and homes: will artificial intelligence replace us?
As we delve deeper into the implications of this future tech, it's not just a matter of jobs or industries transformed. It touches on who we are as individuals, communities, and even as species.
Imagine a world where AI doesn't merely assist but governs more than ever before. In hospitals, doctors might consult with AI to diagnose rare diseases that they haven't encountered in their training.
In factories, robots handle tasks so repetitive or dangerous for humans, allowing them to focus on higher-level
thinking and innovation. Yet, this transformation comes at a cost. One of the first domains where we see AI's influence is education.
Personalized learning algorithms can adapt content to each student's pace and style, making schooling more effective than ever before. This could mean that every child has access to the best possible learning materials tailored just for them.
But there are also concerns about privacy. How much personal data does an algorithm need to know? And what happens if these systems become too powerful or unregulated?
In finance, AI-driven trading algorithms can make millions of transactions in seconds, far beyond human capacity and speed.
They analyze massive datasets faster than we could ever hope to process with our brains alone.
This efficiency brings down costs for consumers but also means that the market is increasingly dominated by those who understand these
systems best.
On a larger scale, AI has the potential to revolutionize entire economies.
Countries are racing to develop their own AI capabilities, hoping to gain an economic edge in this new era of tech-driven growth.
However, as automation becomes more prevalent, we face significant challenges, ensuring that there is enough work for everyone and maintaining social stability when traditional jobs disappear.
But it's not all doom and gloom. The advent of AI also brings opportunities for us to redefine what human labor means.
With machines handling repetitive tasks, humans can focus on creativity, empathy, and problem-solving, skills uniquely ours. We might see as we gaze into the future, it's impossible not to wonder about our place in a world increasingly dominated by artificial intelligence.
Will these machines replace us?
Or will they become an extension of ourselves, a new frontier?
For exploration?
The question lingers like a shadow cast across the digital landscape. It's easy to imagine scenarios where AI surpasses human capabilities in every aspect: medicine, engineering, even creative endeavors.
But is it wise to view this through such a narrow lens? Could there be more nuanced outcomes that enrich our lives rather than diminish them? Consider the journey of evolution itself. Throughout history, humans have relied on
tools and technology to augment their abilities, from simple stone implements to advanced medical devices. AI can be seen as another form of these extensions, tools that help us solve complex problems and improve our understanding of the world.
But unlike past technologies, AI has a unique capacity for self-improvement.
It learns at an exponential rate, adapting its behavior based on new data and experiences.
This rapid evolution raises questions about control and ethics. How do we ensure that these intelligent systems serve humanity's best interests? The challenge lies not just in programming but in creating frameworks that guide the development of AI towards beneficial outcomes. In this quest for balance, collaboration becomes key.
Just as scientists work alongside engineers to harness technology safely, so too should ethicists, policymakers, and developers join forces to shape a
future where AI complements human strengths rather than replaces them entirely.
By fostering an inclusive dialogue, we can pave the way for a symbiotic relationship between man and machine. Imagine a world where AI assists doctors in diagnosing diseases faster and more accurately, freeing up time for compassionate care. Where it helps farmers optimize crop yields while preserving natural resources. Or even where it supports artists and scientists by generating ideas and facilitating collaboration across disciplines. These scenarios paint a picture of potential that extends beyond mere functionality. Yet, the beauty lies not just in what AI can do but how it redefines our relationship with big ideas shaped tomorrow.
Subscribe to be part of what's next.